up mga Ragons? Hey YouTube fam! So today we are going to be making turon. What is turon? Turon is a Filipino snack. When I was in the Philippines, turon was one of my favorite snacks. How about you guys? Comment down below in the comment section if turon was one of your favorite snacks. Tell them the ingredients.
These are the ingredients: bananas, brown sugar, jackfruit, wrappers, a bowl filled with water, and a plate.
Let's start. Oh, just a reminder guys, don't forget to wash your hands. So, this is how we make turon. First, you grab a wrapper. There you go.
Yay!
Then, once the wrapper is on your plate, you take a banana.
Hi, that's mine.
Oh, that's slippery. Excuse me. Dip it in brown sugar, but not too much because it might be too sweet.
Yeah. Hey.
This enough, Mom? Okay, then you put it on your wrapper. Then you take jackfruit and put it on your banana. Then, once you're done putting the jackfruit on your banana, you roll it. Okay, now this is what the water is for. You dip your fingers and apply them
Mommy, what do
on
I
the
do?
wrapper.
What do I do?
Need a little bit more wet. Then you take the ends here and seal it with water.
This is the Paddle family cooking.
Okay, done.
I'm not done.
Oh, why can't we bring it closer?
Hey, move.
You say excuse me. What we need to fry the turon, we need a frying pan, some cooking oil, a strainer container, and tongs. We will let the cooking oil heat. Put the turon in the frying pan. Now we wait till it is brown. So now we need to flip over the turon to see if it's light brown. Okay, so now we wait for the other side to turn light brown. Just gonna move this. Alright, it's already brown. Okay. Whoa, look at the pretty color. Okay, so now now once the turons turn golden brown, we take it and put it in the strainer container.
Strainer container.
And you do this to take the excess oil out. So now it's taste testing time!
And reactions.
That's hot. You want to try it? It's kind of hot. I know you want to try it. But it's hot. Hot. It's juicy. You like it? Okay, let me try. Here, Danielle. Careful, it might be hot. Is it hot? I rate this up to 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10? Okay, let me try it. You like it? Do you like it? Oh. Huh? It's hot. Too hot for you. You can eat it, Daniel. You can eat it later. But you're gonna keep eating it?
Oh.
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. Why?
It must be this. So is it good? Yeah, it's 8 out. I got 8 out of 10.
Daniel, that was it. Huh?
10 out of 10. Okay, bye. By the way, my name's Danica.
My name's Dania.
And this is Dania. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. And watch out for our new videos. Bye!